Hello YouTube, welcome back. So in this video we're gonna set up the data connections. So we'll go to button properties, submit options. This is one way to create submit options. The one is go to data connections. So in this data connections, either you can go from data connections, or here is a shortcut for that. So this is a wizard where we can, there's a step-by-step wizard where we can decide declare our data connections. So this form is to submit the data. The other option is to receive the data. See, if I receive the data is something like, on submission, on clicking up that I agree to so and so, then we can pull data from the server. So we can use in that area, and we can point to SharePoint servers. Okay, so submit data. So how do you want your data? So I want my data to send as email, so I'm selecting this email. We have other options too. So as an email, this part is somewhat tricky, so I'll tell you. This to address is going to be yours, or a person whom it need to be addressed. See, for example, this form is going to send as an email to B person, and B person will respond and give name and gender, and then click on submit, and it will come to this person, whether it may be A or it may be C person. Okay, so you need to you need to specify the returning address of the data where it need to be collected. So in this case I'm using a dummy. Why dummy? Okay, we need to perform this as well as, so I'm gonna give you can CC, you can BCC, and subject line. Subject line is a tip for you, in sense like subject line is really important. If you keep some logical names, it is very helpful in redirecting or setting up a rule in your Outlook. There is an introduction for the reply mail. I can say thanks. Let's discuss about these two. This formula pan, where we have some default functions where we can use some date, user is something like, it will pull the username, as for example this is pulling my name as I am signing in. If I use this function, it's gonna pull this name and give to the things. And we have fields which are nothing but, here we can make use of these fields if needed accordingly. So again, verify formula is something like it need to be checked before inserting. So form, yes, this is a form name which is going to be attached with every email in order to open. So we're gonna change this as well. So this is the name of the data connection. You can change this for your reference. So this is a summary what it is created. So now on the button, now it's already declared, like, this need to be emailed, and using this data connection. And we have some more options here if you like to use. So this is a message when the submission fails will occur, and you can make use of this message to this form to say the user that the form is successfully submitted. And after submit, what action need to be taken? By default it is going to be let it open, but we can go ahead and close the form, or you can open a new form, another form, if according to your need. So we are all good. So let's publish this. Yes, I need to save this test form. So it compiled. Okay, so now here I'm sending to, if I want CC, is again subject line. Is introduction again. No matter what, you need to commonly type in the body of the mail. So we are almost done, so we're gonna send this. Yeah, as we put some validations here, it may warn us, like, if the validations are not satisfied, the mail won't come to us. That's fine. So finally we got the mail. So on double click it. Yes, the form is opening now. So here is the introduction message that what we had written on the subject line too. So that mail submit. When I click on submit, this form data is going to submit to the following address with the feedback, subject line, and the introduction part. So if I click on send, the form will successfully submit. No, I don't want to, as we had configured previously in the Infopath with the following subject and so here is the values which the mail had bringed us. So we can make use of this. Right click, form actions, export form to Excel. So what it does is it will pull the information from here to Excel. So here we go, this name and the option selected value as gender. So we can collect the same informations from number of mails. For example, we're gonna do one more time. Again we got one more entry. So like that, if suppose if you think like 10 or 15 or maybe 20, 100, select all, right click, form actions, export to Excel. So now you see two names are included. So this is how you can make use of feedback forms in by using Infopath. Thanks for watching my video. Please do comment on my drawbacks so that I'll correct myself and present better. Thank you.